Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to connect WhatsApp with n8n and create simple chatbot to confirm that both are connected and fully functional. So by the end of this tutorial, you will have a WhatsApp bot, let's say, running that can answer any question automatically. So let's get started. Okay. So first, let's add the WhatsApp trigger. So we'll add the WhatsApp trigger. So here it will be on message. So this will happen when a message is sent. So after adding it, we need to create a credential. So you come here and create new credential. And so we need a client ID and client secret. So how are we going to get them? So let's go here, open docs. So we see here that you need a meta developer account. So if you don't have it, you will have to create the account. So let's click here. After clicking it here, so you will go here, like you will click go to this link, you will click on this link and you will log in with your Facebook account. So let me write it kevina.yahoo.com and my password, and I will log in. So now that I logged in, so I will need to go in my apps. So with my apps, I will create a new app. So this is already the apps I have, but let me create another one. So here is the app name. So what name I'm gonna give it. So and also avoid to give names like WhatsApp automation or stuff like that. They will not allow you to do it. So let me just give it like and then SMS assistant. Let's say like this. And here this is your email for your Facebook account. So you can change it, but by default is this one that we cap. And let's click next. And here we click here the last one, other, to accept, and you click next and you will choose. So here it's in my language because you will click it business. In English it's business. I don't know why it's coming in my language. So this means business. You click business, not consumer, and you will do click next. And here it's optional. You don't have to do it. You don't have to set anything. You just do create the app. So once the app is created, click on setup WhatsApp to integrate WhatsApp in the app. So let's click on setup. And here we select your uh, business portfolio and you click continue. And by default, they just allow you to be able to send to only 5 different numbers, not only those numbers. And after that, how do we get the client ID and client secret key? So you go to app setting, basic, and you will copy both the app ID and app secret. So let me copy and paste it. I did copy, paste, and here we just also do copy, sorry, copy, and I will do here paste also, and I will save it. So let's see if it's working, and you see now it's connected successfully. Okay, and for the next one, we also need the one to send message back to the person who sent the message to our WhatsApp account. So let's go here and also again click WhatsApp, but now it's on send message. So we need to create also a credential. So create new credential. So now we see here that we need access token and a business account ID. So now here we just go and come back here where we were before, and we come here on WhatsApp and we click on API setup. After clicking on API setup, you will generate the access token. So here they will just want to confirm you that it's your account, like if you are the person who is doing it. And here you will click here opt into all current and future WhatsApp accounts, and you will continue and save. And save, and you will copy the access token And don't worry, after the video, I will delete everything. So you do access token, and for the business account ID, I will get here for the number by default. This is the number they gave me. I can add another phone number. So you will also have the phone number they gave you by default. And you will copy it, and you will paste it, and you will do save. And as you see now, it works also as well. And now it's okay. Everything is set up. And now what do we have to do? We no, let's add an LLM so that it can be the one answering the message that we will receive on our WhatsApp account. So let's add an LLM. So basic LLM chain. And me by default I will use Gemini. So you can use whatever you want. You can use OpenAI or DeepSeek or whatever suits you, even Olama. And here I already have it set it up. And after that, we will also connect this one here. And here I have to select the number, and now I think it's just it. So we just have to give a prompt to your LLM. So you are an AI assistant. Please respond to the user, to the customer, let's say customer messages, customers messages. Let's do like this, okay? So, and keep it short, because sometimes, and keep it short, okay? So, okay, it's good. Let's save it. First of all, I want to test something. Let me execute the flow. So there's a problem here. First, let me deactivate it. I will show you why. So, and this is our WhatsApp. So let me split it on into, and so now we are like this. So this is the WhatsApp I will use, and this is the account. You can see this one. This is the number of the number that they gave me by default. So let me try to execute this one. Execute the workflow. Now it's waiting for a question. So let me say hi. So I know that it's not going to work now because there will be an error. I know, that's why I did it. So I did it so that I can change it and do define below, and I will get the message. Let me do like this. Oh, let me just make it big. So I will select this one, the body. So the message will be high. Okay. So now it's okay. Now we are done with this one, and now we can activate this one again. So to deactivate it, I just clicked on D, and to activate it also you click again on D, on the letter D. So now they want the recipient's phone number. So how are we going to get it? So I think I need to run it again. So first I will run this one. Now it's been run. So now let's go here. We will be able to get the recipient phone number. So it will be this one. Okay, as you can see. And yes, and the text. So the text we will give to this one. That's the one coming from LLM chain, and we select it here. So okay. Now let's execute, see if it will work. Yeah, now it's working. And as you can see, let's start it again. Let's do it again. Let me do like this, and okay. So now how to do it? So everything is saved. Okay. So now let's do execute workflow. Okay. Now let me write hi, how are you? Okay. Now you see I'm about to send a message, and we will look here what's going to happen. So we click how are you, and you see the message came, and the Gemini model answered the answer and answer the question, and we send back the reply. I am fine, thank you. Thank you. Let's send it back. But here I have to execute again the workflow. That's why the message did not came. And let me just do I am fine, thank you. And you see also again the message will come, and it will reply to me now. So you see now it's very connected. So we have our tap automation that will be answering for us when we're not able to answer to our, let's say we have a company, and for the customer service, let's say we are not online or we work 24/7, so we need someone to reply when we are not here. So you see now it's connected, we can use it by default. So thank you to watch the video, and please, if you are not subscribed yet, subscribe and like the video. It's helped me a lot. And be sure that in the next video I will show you how to automate when you have a business, and how to do automation like a chatbot assistant, let's say it, with WhatsApp. And stay tuned, to be with Junior. So